Bed bugs are unpredictable. Well, in the hotel industry, it's a very big issue. It's the unexpected cost that's hard to deal with. Having to block the rooms for an indefinite time and having to throw things away, as in the pillows and the linens, it's expensive and that's tough. Unexpected cost, they hurt a lot. This day and age, with technology the way it is, somebody puts a negative review on a Tuesday, Wednesday, I start getting cancellations. The best thing about ProAct is the predictability of the cost. It's consistent, and I know the projected cost for the year. Before ProAct, I had 5 separate rooms that were affected with bed bugs. Since ProAct, I've had no issues in the last 3 years. I'd say it's a change maker. It's just taken that off of my plate to have to worry about. I would recommend ProAct to anybody. It's awesome. It's awesome.